Hello, my name is Roland with a student number 301252375, and this is my assignment number 4 on Linux Unix. So the first thing I need to do is I need to install the Samba package by typing the following: sudo dnf install samba common samba client, and I just press next. And it will install my Samba. Completed. Now I just need to clear it. The next thing we need to do is to enable and start SMB and NMB. To do that, we type sudo systemctl start SMB password and sudo system control start NMB. Sudo system start NMB. And then we need to enable both of them. Sudo system control enable SMB sudo system enable NMB. Now we need to check the status of both of them. Sudo system and status SMB. As you can see, this one is running. And let's check the other one. Sudo system status NMB. Then control. And as you can see too, the NMB is running too, which means both of them are working properly. And let me just clear it. The next thing I need to do is to add a new share to smb.config, and the share should be located in one of my Linux users folder called shared. And I need to make sure that the permissions are set correctly. So the first thing I need to do is to make sure that I have a directory called share. And to do that, I need to make a directory by typing the following: sudo make directory home username samba and share. I won't type this one because I already have it. To check it, I will check sudo home Roland samba. Oops, I type a typo there. CD home samba. And there, as you can see, there is my list. So next thing I need to do is to check mode and sudo check mode 777 home my username, which is this one, and samba. Then I need to do it with the same folder as the share one. So sudo check mode 777 home same username samba and share. Now I need to share own to nobody, nobody, home, my username, and samba, and share. As usual, I need the password. And then here. Now, I need to create a Samba configuration file. And to do that, I need to type sudo bi etc uh, samba smb.configuration. And as you can see, uh, I already modified it because it's take a lot of changing in the global and anonymous part. On the global, I changed my work group to work group. To my Samba server, I included NetBIOS name, security to user, map to guest, but user. And on the anonymous, I put the path on my home, my username, Samba share. And I make sure that it's browsable, writable, gets okay, and read only. And let's exit without saving. And now I'm gonna test part. And as you can see, loaded service file is okay. It means nothing is wrong with it. And clear. Now I just want to add one more thing. Uh, just just to make sure that nothing is black on the firewall, you need to remove it. So to do that, I'm gonna do firewall cmd add service equals samba zone equals public, and we're gonna make it permanent. Okay, and it's a success. Let's just reload it just to make sure. And there you go. And now let's check if my virtual box and my Windows machine is shared. To do that, I'm gonna check first what's inside my shared folder. So let's go to that directory by typing cd parma share or cd samba share. Sorry. Okay, and this item. So right now I have three files. File name 1, 2, and file. Now I need to check my IP address. To do that, I need to type if config. And when I scroll up, you can see on the left side it's ENP0S8, which is my connection, and my IP address will be 192.168.56.2. Now let's clear this. Now I need to go to my shared directory in my using my Windows. To do that, I need to go to the run menu, and I can type my IP address that you see earlier or Samba server, which and it will ask me my credential. So I will just type my credential and press OK. And as you can see, this is my shared directory called Anonymous. So everything I put in here will be transferred in this folder, and anything that I put I put using the Linux will be shared on my Windows too. So to let me give you an example. So right now there is three file in there, and I will create another file called sudo touch, and I will call the file file rb so that it's unique, and I'm gonna put 1 to 8. So it will create uh, file rb1 to file rb8, and let's try it. And it will ask for my password, and it that shared folder should include the following: the file 1 to file rb1 to file rb8. So it will be 11 files in totals. Now let's double check our Windows shared directory, and let's do the run again. And as you can see, this is my shared directory folder called Anonymous, and there should be 11 files called 1, 2 file, and the one that we created, file RB. So I'm gonna put something in there just to show you. I'm gonna put this one, books. Let's copy it, and then I'm gonna put it in Anonymous. So I have an Excel file called book1.xlx. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that. Okay, I'm on the CD shared directory, and as you can see, there is the book1.xlsx, the Excel file. So let me try another one just to double check. I'm gonna create a file called uh, I don't have a name. A file name, I don't have a name. And let's go back to that. And as you can see, the file is here. I don't have a name. And that's how you shared your file using Linux.